This Garden Bliss is proud to be a participant in this year's Artists in the Garden fundraising event for Hearth Place, a cancer patient and family and friend support center in Oshawa, Ontario. Artists in the Garden also has a plant sale in the parking lot of Hearth Place on May 27th. Get there early before the wide selection is sold out. Hi there. After 5 years or so, we've decided to reline the fountain, the waterfall, because off and on it was leaking. So we're going to put in a new liner with a spillway this high, bring it down into the pond. Precast fiberglass resin bowl. So spillway, rocks, tier, but the vinyl pond liner has to go in first. In planning out the waterfall 5 years ago, we had to make sure that it was above ground, as one that would be below grade would block the drainage of water from our neighbors' yards. We started first by laying down some thick flagstone and then with rocks and gravel. We put down some sand, leveled it off, placed in the bowl and surrounded it with block. Slate and river rock were then placed on top of the liner and around the rim. We like to call it our Wishing Well waterfall. So I have taken out the old liner, putting in the new liner, all one piece for a good half. That's looks like it's a fiberglass bowl we have, but yeah. And there's our pump. Set this up. So the waterfall is coming along, using some rocks to cover up the black liner. Big slab of slate down on the bottom underneath. I'm just filling up with rock and slate, keeping it away from the fence on the garden box. I'm going for sound, but not too much splash. All we need to do now is surround it in plants. I think it's the best in all the years. I mean, it's a Wishing Well waterfall after all. Mr. Froggy here dropped by last year and stayed the whole summer, which is great because he eats mosquitoes. Thank you for watching today's video.